Wi-Fi networks are wonderful things, but they're not perfect. They're limited in range, they're limited in speed, and they're limited in total bandwidth. Compared to wired networks, the technology of Wi-Fi resembles more that like an Ethernet hub than like an Ethernet switch, and that's especially significant with the concept of sharing the bandwidth. If you have several computers or disk drives or other pieces of equipment on your network that use a lot of bandwidth, that transfer big files and want them to go fast, you're going to be better off using a wired Ethernet than wireless. But sometimes you need to have wireless links because areas of your office or of your home or your network are just too far away. That is a perfect situation for which you would use a wireless Ethernet bridge of the type that's illustrated here. Wireless Ethernet bridges come in various types. Illustrated here is a wireless Ethernet bridge combined with an Ethernet switch. These are used to bridge different sections or different LAN subnets throughout your large home or office, and it will communicate by radio with a wireless access point somewhere else in your network, usually at your network operating center or at the head end of your network. When it does that, it's as if it were an Ethernet hub stretching the LAN segment from the head end back toward the remote end. And then within that wireless Ethernet bridge, it builds another small little Ethernet with an Ethernet switch. You see those four connectors? Those are Ethernet connectors, and they go to an internal Ethernet switch that's inside that little box, just as if it were any other Ethernet switch, allowing that new Ethernet segment that's been bridged across to be shared with those four new connectors at wire speeds, giving maximum performance. This kind of wireless Ethernet bridge is probably the kind that most listeners or most viewers here at AskMisterWizard.com would want. It's a single, tidy little box that allows you to expand your LAN with a node, with a little local area network segment that's convenient and you can put anywhere in your house, and then you can connect computers, disk drives, and other network-intensive devices right into it. They'll be able, among themselves, they'll be able to share information at high speed. Now, when they go back across the Wi-Fi link back over to the head-end equipment, out to the internet or to those other computers, that's shared access, and it won't be quite as fast, but it still works very well.